Two teams are ready to go head-to-head in a match brimming with excitement. It's a showdown you don't want to miss. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. Joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary will be Sue Smith. We've got a game coming up from Major League Soccer. How do you see this one going then, Sue?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
Vitor Costa. Just lacked a little concentration there, and behind it goes. Well read to gain possession.
Yeah, he was on to that before it even happened.
Now, what can they do from here? Oh, brilliant anticipation. Vitor Costa. Getting closer. And that's a terrific claim under a fair bit of pressure. A really good interception to take the ball. Jones. Now there might be a chance as they keep it moving. One and two-touch passing, making it look easy.
Yeah, it's lovely to see this, isn't it?
Chance to move ahead. Beautifully weighted ball. Well, not quite accurate enough, and it'll be a goal kick now. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? Vitor Costa. Vitor Costa. Jones. Decent move looked to be building, but that's it for now. Now it needs a good ball in. Headed into the danger zone. And the keeper able to get there first. Well, this is looking good. That has gone out. It'll be a throw. Oh, could be a chance here. And it's opened up. And that's a great bit of goalkeeping. That's what he's there for. Jones. That's not a bad-looking ball. Now, can he get the cross in? And out of play it goes for a throw-in. Great instinct there to cut it out. Well, here we go. Time for the transition. Could be something on. Well, it was a fantastic break, but a simple save.
Yeah, just wasn't composed in front of goal, was he? You'd expect him to bury that, wouldn't you?
Vitor Costa. Vitor Costa. They've dropped deep, haven't they?
Yeah, they just look happy to sit back in shape, don't they?
And they might be in. Just needs the composure now. That was a chance to open the scoring.
Well, that's a huge opportunity to take the lead, and he just doesn't compose himself. You can see the frustration on his face.
There's a good feel to this attack. Now to deliver a good ball in. Terrific chance. Big chance. Oh, it was set up for the shot, but then he went for brute force when a cool head was needed. And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Dejan Jovelic. Promising looking ball. To put them ahead. And it's there! Oh, what a goal! He took a real chance going for it like that. But boy, has it paid off.
Yeah, this is a worldie, isn't it? He just flings himself at it. Certainly one for the showreel. I think we'll see this time and time again.
And we're back underway at 1-0. Vitor Costa. Vitor Costa. This could be dangerous. Nice possession. This could level it. Corner to come. And the ball comes in. And the ball is still alive. And that's the perfect way to protect the ball.
That's a real test of power, that.
And unable to retain possession. Approaching half-time now, and the hosts hold sway. Is it a deserved lead?
Well, they've been impressive going forward. They've created some good chances too, but they've just got to make sure that they're going to keep it tight at the back.
Vitor Costa. That's not a bad-looking ball. Put into the box. Well watched by the goalkeeper. Read the flight nicely. Oh, that's really well cut out. Over the top and in on goal. Lovely setup. Real chance. They've got another, and he's got another. 2 for the game.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to pick out a teammate with a lovely cutback. And the movement is good to get on the end of it. And it's a simple finish in the end.
And that'll do it. The end of the first 45 minutes here. Well, he's played a starring role up to this point. He's been wonderful to watch.
He's been the standout, the difference between the two teams. And at times he's been unplayable. The goals were clinical, and he just looks hungry for more.
The whistle sounds, and the second half gets going. Vitor Costa. Oh, could be here. Opportunity now. Keeps it out and crucially keeps it away. No sign of stopping yet. It's gone out and it's a corner. The sub about to come on. Here it comes, and a routine take for the keeper. Vitor Costa. Vitor Costa. Ronaldo Vieira. Vitor Costa. Both teams guilty of giving it away here.
Yeah, they're just rushing the passes a bit here. It's all a bit messy, isn't it?
And loads of room here. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Vitor Costa. Vitor Costa. Ball one, well read. Decent looking attack this. He's in here. You can feel the frustration after that. Possibly should have hit the target.
Well, it's a brilliant attacking display, so much quality in the final third, and the finishes have been really clinical. The back line just doesn't have the answers. They need to organise themselves quickly, or this could be a heavy defeat for them.
And into the last 30 minutes now. Ronaldo Vieira. It's nice possession, but they can't just wait for things to happen.
Yeah, they're keeping the ball well.
Promising position, this. Still with a bit to do. Oh, brilliant anticipation. Looking like they mean business here. Juan Jones. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Could turn out to be a really good ball. Now composure needed. On his own with only the keeper to beat, but he's missed it.
Well, he just needed to show a bit more composure there, take a little bit off the shot.
Vitor Costa. A really good interception to take the ball. This has to be! And a great stop to turn the ball away.
Well, I think if that went in, there probably wouldn't have been a way back for them. They just can't keep conceding chances like this, though.
Now the focus turns from keeping the ball out to working a chance themselves. Working hard to win it back there. Dejan Jovelic. Now here's an invitation. And the keeper reads it well and saves. And that will be a penalty. To make it 3-0. Scores! The penalty efficiently put away.
Well, you can see it here again. This is a good penalty. Straight down the middle. The goalkeeper's committed, and all that he can do is just watch it sail in. Cool as you like.
And the game kicks off with the score 3-0 now. Vitor Costa. Still going here. And the danger is cleared.
Yeah, he does well there. Clears the ball out of any danger, and that's the main thing.
Oh, could be a chance here. Chance to score. It's not away yet. Vieira. Good cross into the middle. And they've scored! And all the noise is coming from the away end.
Well, if we watch this again, it's all about being alert in and around the box. And when the ball falls to him, he's clinical. That's a really nice finish.
And away we go again at 3-1 now. In the right position to cut out the pass. Lovely ball, this could lead to something. He's in here. But the man in goal wins the race to the ball. Ball taken away from them. Vitor Costa. Ronaldo Vieira. Juan Jones. Vieira. A chance to cross here. And back across goal. It's offside. And that will be that. And there's going to be a change now. Pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Vieira. Juan Jones. Oh, could be here. Vieira. Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? Here we go! And ready for it coming his way. They decide against putting it into the box. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points, Sue.
Yeah, it was a fairly comfortable result in the end. They control large parts of the game. It was a real professional performance, and I think they deserve the result.